have the gift of seeing. That's how people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible.
In this video, I will be teaching you how you can use coconut to open your third eye. Just like the way coconut has 3 eyes, right? I'm going to teach you how you can use this coconut to open your third eye, the right way to do it. A lot of mistake a lot of people normally make is that when they say use coconut to open your third eye, they normally open the wrong eye. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the particular eye you need to open. All you need for this is coconut. You need the rainwater or river water. Okay, after you have gotten rainwater or river water like this, then you will open one eye of the coconut. And remember, coconut has 3 eyes. I see these 3 eyes. 2 are very easy to open. 1 is very strong. So when you want to open, you get something to drill the one that is hard, not the one that is soft. Too. Once you push nail on this one, you see it will want to enter. You push nail on this, it will want to enter. But particular one, when you try push nail on this one, you notice that it is hard. Yes, that is the eye you are going to open, not these 2 that are soft. Okay, so you break this particular eye that is very strong open. You drill a hole on it. After you have opened this eye, then you turn the coconut. Okay, you turn it inside the water. You turn it inside this bottle of water. Now you turn this coconut water, you turn it inside the bottle of water. You will notice that I have filled water. The bottle is half filled. So after you have turned the coconut water inside this bottle of water, then you now use water to complete it so that it will be 100% full up to this place, so that there will be no more space. Let it be 100% filled up. That's the first thing, half filled of the bottle, half filled of the bottle. Then you add the coconut water. Make sure it is the hard one you open. Then you now pour this water, pour it inside to complete it. Then you now cover it. And remember, let me not make mistake. Before you cover this, you are going to get alligator pepper. Then you remove 7 seeds from the alligator pepper. After you have removed 7 seeds from the alligator pepper, when you want to hold it, don't hold it like this. Use your middle finger. This is the most powerful finger. Use your middle finger to hold it together, the 2 items together like this. Use your middle finger to hold it like this. Then you call your name. You said, I want my third eye to be open. I want to see things before they happen in a dream. I want to see it direct vision. I want to see. You put on it how you want to see vision. When you're done making praying on it, then you pull the seed inside the water. Then you take another one. So that's how you pray on the 7 seed while pouring it inside. When you're done pouring the 7 seed inside, making that prayer, then you cover the bottle. Cover the bottle, keep it for 7 days. Then the 7th day, you remove it and use it to wash your head and your face. This is a powerful way to open your third eye. Don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more. And remember, if you are going to use it to wash your face, you are going to use early in the morning, between 6 a.m. in the morning. That is the right time you are going to use it to wash your face. And if you are going to use it to wash your face, you will not use it to wash your face all at once. You are going to use it to wash your face 3 days. You use it to wash your face early morning today, you keep it. Don't allow any other hand to touch it. Don't allow any other hand to touch it. And don't allow any eye to see it. Then you keep it. Then the next day you take it. So you are going to use it to wash your face early morning for 3 days straight. See you guys in the next video.